Hi everyone, it is Martha of K&R Styles, and I am here, have a brand new setup as far as cameras are concerned, and I'm hoping that it's going to do well. I'm going to test it out. One of the great things that I like about this setup is the fact that it's no longer using my phone. That was one of the issues that I had when it came to actually recording video and getting it processed, is the fact that my phone would only hold so much before it just completely gave out. And this way, this uses a card, so I can actually take it out of the camera and put it directly into my laptop and go straight from there. It'll also hold longer videos, which gives me a little bit of time to edit. And I'm so looking forward to that, and just being able to present you with a lot more videos for my channel, because I know that it's been slow as far as getting everything in and processing and so forth. But I'm hoping that this setup is going to be something that will benefit everyone. I have a lot of ideas of things that I'm actually going to be bringing you, some as far as, you know, what our products are about and showing you our products, but also showing you some things that if you're looking to just turn around and alter your own clothing, or repair your own clothing, some of those types of videos. So I really hope that you will join my channel and enjoy my content. Bye.